He was avoiding. There we go. Good.
Okay, Matt.
Yes.
Don't do that with him, but cover his head.
Okay.
And then tap him.
Okay.
With your hand. There you go.
Good.
Now do your down, Matt.
Good.
Talk to him. Good boy. Pet. There you go.
Good boy.
How are his eyes?
Good.
Out! Starter!
Couché.
There's a cone behind you.
What's that?
There's a
Okay.
cone behind
Thank
you.
you. Couché. Yes. Got him.
Good.
Very good. He actually seems better on the left leg. Good.
Good.
He dives down for the right one. And
Yeah.
And with the left, he bites even with his height. So he puts more pressure on the thigh.
Oh, he's really putting good pressure.
I know.
No, that's where he bites the hardest is on the thigh. I'd rather give him the other leg.
Good. See how he's doing with the stick? It's better. I'll keep working with him at home.
So when he's up high, the stick's more behind his head. He doesn't see it. When
Okay.
he's down low, he sees it coming.
Okay. Good boy. Take Alvin.
Sure, go ahead.
Starter! Good.
Yes.
Good.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, good boy. I'm going to resist.
Okay.
Oh, he goes with it.
There he goes.
There.
Better. Oh, there you go.
Good
There you
boy.
go. Oh, there you go.
There we go.
This is
Back
good.
up more. There, I want to keep him straight in front. Good.
Yeah.
Good boy. Good. Good boy, Starter. Good. Oh, that's a good boy. Starter!
Crochet.
He likes going up there. Good.
Let me
Good.
tell you, it feels excellent.
You mean it doesn't feel excellent for us?
Yes, that's sarcasm.
Good. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh. Oh, good boy. Oh. Good. Oh, good boy. Good. Good. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Start out. Good.
I need a break for a second.
All right.